guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't said that in so long. I'm so sorry for disappearing on you guys, but I'm back with like a fun kind of video. I want to kind of switch up on my channel a little bit more and show you guys more of me and what I like to do. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this two-piece set, and it's super easy to make. You can hand sew when you don't need a sewing machine like this one, but yeah, it's really easy to make. Anybody can do it. It's beginner friendly. So you're gonna need is some fabric. This could be from anything from like an old t-shirt, or if you want to go out and buy some fabric yourself, you can do that. Some scissors, something to hold the fabric, because it can get a little bit fiddly. Yeah, so this is something new that I'm going to be adding to my channel because I'm really passionate about DIY projects. So I hope you guys like the video. Let me know if you guys want me to continue making these kind of videos, and I will do that. I will explain more what's going on with my channel at the end of the video, so you guys are not confused with what's going on. Here it is, the tutorial. So the material I'm using is just a jersey scrap that I had and some lace that I got from Amazon, and I'm just gonna lay down my material really flat so everything is really seamless. So for my pattern piece, I made the longer side 30 inches and the shorter side 9 inches. This was just so it could fit my body, but obviously measure how long you want it for your body. And I'm just going to lay down the material, leaving around ½ inch seam allowance whilst I pin it. So now what I'm going to do is fold the material so that it could be double lined. And then I'm just gonna cut around the material. So now what you want to do is fold the material about ½ inch on each side, just so you can hem it. And then what you want to do is pin each side down and sew it with your sewing machine, or you could sew it by hand. When you're finished, you should have something that looks like this. Now what you want to do is fold about 1 inch, leaving enough room for the lace or strap to go through. Okay, you guys, so once you have finished sewing all the pieces together, like the side bits and the 1 inch seam allowance over here, obviously cut this off. I just can't bother to do that right now. But what you want to do is get your lace. If you don't have lace, you can make like your own strap if you want to. I'll leave a link down below for a tutorial on how to make like a strap, but I just chose to use string because it's thin and I'm lazy as well. So all you want to do is just put the lace through the what do you call this? All you want to do is put the lace through the hole, and yeah, just do this. It might take a little bit of time, but yeah. After that, it should look like this, and you should just pull it through this way, and then you have your top. And then I have the skirt over here, which all I did was trace like a skirt that I have already. So when you're done, you should have something that looks a bit like this. It's super easy to make, and I hope you guys were successful in doing it. If you guys do this outfit, please tag me in your pictures. I would like to see your recreations as well. And yeah, I hope you guys like this style of video. I will be doing more if you guys want to see more of this. I have been doing a lot of like fashion projects on my Instagram page, and you guys seem to like it over there, so I wanted to try and see if you guys would like it here as well. I've made a couple of things like corsets, little tops here and there, and yeah, I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of what I've made, and I hope to make a lot more things in the future for you guys. And yeah, I feel like I'm talking too much. If you guys want to see like a chit chat, get ready with me, where I get more into the stuff that I've been doing during quarantine, let me know and I'll do that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Down.